Peace and blessings, fam. It's T's Braids and Weaves. It's your girl T back at you with another video. Yes, I'm servicing Northern California, and hair is what I love to do. So subscribe and smash that bell so that you can see all my videos. And yes, this is my client who is suffering from alopecia. More than 50% of women are experiencing hair loss, and 30 million women in the U.S. are experiencing hair loss today. It is so unfortunate. It is so frustrating, but don't worry, ladies. There is something that we can do. We need to work on growing our hair back, and there are styles that we can wear until we get to that stage of hair growth. So again, this is my client who has alopecia here at the top of her head. Alopecia is known to start mainly with small spots that increasingly get larger and larger. So here her hair is very short in the back, so I am going to start braiding as much of the hair in the back as I can. She does not want to shave the back of her hair. She wants to just let it grow out, and let's see how the growth goes. So we are not going to shave it. We are just going to braid it, and we are going to be doing some passion twists. Yes, this style is going to be some 18-inch long passion twists. The color is 1B30, and so she says, as we were talking, that she's been getting perms, and that's what broke her hair out back here in the back. So again, like I said, she's not interested in getting it shaved. She's just going to let it grow out. So the back here, you are not going to be able to see the braids, but she's not going to be able to pull it up in a high ponytail either because of the back. But it's okay because she can still wear a low ponytail. I am going to braid these braids going down because I don't want to put any tension on her edges, which are already broken. So whenever you have clients who have edges that are broken, damaged, please braid these braids going down so that you're not pulling on those edges. That's the last thing you want to do, is cause any more tension on the edges and cause more breakage. So braid these braids going downward. Her hair is stronger up here at the top than it is on the edges. So I'm going to braid these braids going down, and that's going to be part of the braid pattern for her sides. So keep watching so you can see exactly how this braid pattern is completed. Okay, yes, so now I am on the other side, and I am braiding this side the same as the other. I am braiding these braids going down instead of braiding them back. If I was to braid them backwards, I would be pulling on her edges, which eventually is going to cause more breakage and more hair loss around her edges. Alright, yes, so this braid pattern is completed. So she can wear a part here. She can also wear a part on the other side. I did the braids. There is, right there is her alopecia spots. And again, these braids are braided down instead of braided back. So that way we don't have any hair loss around her edges. So yes, try this braid pattern if you have clients with hair loss, or if you yourself are experiencing hair loss. Try a different braid pattern. Try a braid pattern that's much healthier for your hair. So here I am applying some weaving net to the top of her hair where she has the hair loss. You will see exactly why this hair net, this weaving net, is essential and very important on the part where she has hair loss, because when I get ready to install these passion twists, I need to make sure that they are secure and that they will not fall off, that they will not slip off, or that they will not cause any more hair loss by pulling on her natural hair that she has in these areas near the alopecia area. So continue to keep watching so you can see how this style is accomplished and what this weaving net is used for. You are definitely gonna love this method of passion twist. Yes, I guarantee it. You're gonna love it. So here we go, y'all. These are about to be the passion twists. Yes, they are 18 inches long. They are beautiful. They are bouncy. They are very easy to work with. The color is 1B30. I am putting the link below in the description so you can order you some. They came in 6 packs from Amazon. So yes, I'm going to start installing these passion twists. So keep watching. This style is going to be beautiful. If you like passion twists, if you don't like sitting for a really long time, this is a really easy, quick style. Beautiful, very versatile. You can wear it in a lot of different styles. So keep watching and let's see how this style is accomplished. Yes, I am loving it already. They give a nice full thick look, and yes, we are on our 4th pack of hair, and look how full this is already. So again, because I braided these braids going down, they are not pulling and they are not heavy at all on her edges, so we don't have to worry about them breaking our edges at all. So definitely try these braids going downward. Alright, so we are at the top now where I added that weaving net for this alopecia part. So here I am using my needle and thread, my weaving needle and thread, and that's how I'm going to attach these passion twists to the top of her head. So please watch this process. I love this method. I love it. I love it. You do not have to worry about these twists, locks, whatever you are installing with this method. They are secure. They will not fall off. They will not slide off or anything because I am sewing them on. I am sewing them to the needle. To the weaving net. I am sewing them with my needle and thread. I am going through the loop. So yes, keep watching and you will see how this method is. And again, like I said, you do not have to worry. They are completely secure and they will outlast the braid. That is how secure they are. When I say outlast the braid, meaning the braid will get loose before the passion twists get loose because they are sewn to this net. So yes, keep watching and see how this method is done, and please try it. Let me know if you try this method and how it works for you. So yes, if you've never tried this method, you try it. And voila! Yeah, we are done. These passion twists are so pretty. Yes, look at them. Look at the length on it. Look how bouncy they are. They are beautiful. I am loving this color. I'm loving the length. Oh my gosh. I know you want to see the front, but unfortunately my client did not want her face to be shown. So I am reserving her privacy and her right not to have her face shown. So ladies, I am so sorry you can't see the very front, but the style came out really beautiful. She loves it. We used 6 packs of passion twists, Ts, braids, and weaves. Thanks for watching.